Hi guys, good afternoon. Just got midday here, 21st of September. If you watched the video from last night and you saw my tweets, I was saying how I've got to be bearish the pound and equities, and that is what's happened. Albeit we actually did push higher initially on the open last night, only to come crashing back to reality upon the London Open. We're hovering on last Tuesday morning and afternoon's double bottom. I'd imagine that goes. However, we are already down big, and then really the next sort of level to look for coming in at 128.16, basically the opening price that we had from last week, and then you're looking at the Friday before that's lows. I'd be surprised if both of those don't go. I think when looking at the pound on a longer time frame, you'd be surprised to see price not reach the 127 handle, and then from then it's decision point, and you probably think then this next area comes in here, the low from the 22nd July, the 1st and the 9th, the high of the 9th of July, 126.56. It's not looking too good for the pound, but that said, as is always the case, you've got to mark your levels up where that would be wrong, and we have found a bit of a bottom, albeit it's been tested multiple times. I'd be looking for that resistance level now to be around 128.85 as a point where today anyway the sellers would just take a bit off that table and you probably get a bit of a short squeeze. But these are all appetizing areas to get short again, should we not break the low. So just bear in mind we are down big, but it's not looking good. Negative rate, second lockdown fears in the UK. I wouldn't want to be long consistently unless we were to get really above this week anyway, above sort of 129.25. 129 still looks to me like a good area to go short. The euro X marks the spot for the bigger moves. To the upside be looking like that, to the downside a break of all of that, and I'd be looking for the lows to come in, albeit just bear in mind that 117 handle from the low of the 3rd of August is key. We are under pressure, a bit of dollar strength. If we have a look at the euro, then more intraday, it's sort of doing the same pattern as the pound in that it's been pushing lower since 8 a.m. UK time, and these previous lows all look relatively interesting for moves to the downside. At what point would I sort of not want to be short today? I mean, to be honest, it probably is up towards that 118. So any push towards there, I'd still be happy if I was, taking some profit on this move lower. But as said on the daily chart, I think the bigger move happens elsewhere once we break above or below. Equities not looking good. Again, bit of a gap low, but did push higher in early trade. It came back in to hit some of those lows that we had. It looks great in hindsight, and as long as we stay below, I probably would have it on the 8th of September low. As long as we stay below 32.86, I think it's still a really good place to hold shorts. To be honest, it doesn't look that nice, does it, on the daily chart now? You've got let's just get the moving averages on. We've broken 2-week range low. Obviously the daily close will be important. We closed below the 50 daily moving average, the 21 daily moving average. I mean, looking at the next sort of key zone would be coming in around the 3200 handle. These lows from end of July, early August mark the spot where I think we'll go to. However, obviously I'm overall longer term bullish. The way these markets work, if we are to reject this today, we have a strong US Open. There's nothing to say that can't happen. If we daily close above 32.89, this market can go higher. Same thing for the Nasdaq and Dow. Just be aware, equities under pressure, risk very much off at the moment. Hope you'll have a good trading day and a great week ahead.